Hey, welcome to Chamber.Media Tutorials. Here's my buddy Luke.
What's up, guys? We're gonna talk about a commercial we're shooting for Chamber.Media for ourselves. It focuses a lot on movement, so we're gonna be going through how we're gonna do this stuff and all the movement involved. Check this out, it's gonna be a long oneer. In this one take, we're adding a lot of movement in it. Movement is really dynamic because it keeps your interest. It makes the production value feel more. Movement can be free. If you can find a way to move your camera, it doesn't cost you anything, and so it really adds a lot of production value. And that's what we're going for today. A very long one take throughout all of Chamber.Media studios. Lots of things going on, it's gonna be wild. So we're gonna show you how to do it.
Like everything, it starts with the script. Look at some places where you can add that movement in, whether it's walking and talking, background characters doing stuff, or in this case, we have somebody throwing things into frame, smashing through walls, keep it interesting.
Boom, that's it, man, you got it.
If you want that fluid camera motion, you gotta plan for rehearsal. And action rehearsal. So with your script, plan out your shots, the movement that you wanna do, and then when you get to the day of it, give yourself time to practice those shots and make it look perfect exactly the way you want it. So then we'll have you, it's actually gonna be a really quick movement. So the Steadicam's gonna be right here, and it's gonna turn and it's gonna land as it comes into that doorway. It's gonna take a little time to get the movement exactly the way you want it. But movement shots always make things more interesting, and it keeps it flowing, keeps it fun, keeps it interesting. Movement keeps people engaged. Go here and then keep on following her out.
Plus, we have a powerful proprietary software called Brain, and just like Shakira's hips, our numbers don't lie.
Alright guys, so with movement, planning all of it, the devil's in the details. Oh, that is the same. If you have the frame feel stagnant on somebody, or it kind of lags getting to where it needs to be, you can't really fix that in post very easily, and so you really got to plan out, okay, this person finishes the line here, we whip over and catch this person, they're moving. So a lot of rehearsal time, a lot of blocking out, because you don't want to just get something where it kind of feels right, and then in post it handcuffs you, you're kind of stuck with it. So plan, really feel it out and get the timing down. Ah!
Okay, we're gonna go for real.
No, being
We're going for
so
real.
stylish, you don't feel
We're gonna go
stylish.
for real. Let them know. Action.
Media Cameras have been scaling businesses for over 7 years. Plus, we have a powerful proprietary software called the Brain, and just like Shakira's hips, our numbers don't lie.
I mean, that was pretty great. We probably got it there. Once you've done your first take, you want to assess and see what it is and learn and grow from it, and you just keep on going until you get it perfect, exactly what you want, or until your budget is done, and that's the only shots you get, because we only have 3 walls.
Dude, that was a sick entrance.
I think movement is probably one of the most important elements in all of filmmaking, anything visual, because it just creates life. I think when we stay on any one given scene for very long, we just lose audience attention, especially because our audience is like social. They're all ADD. Movement is like one of the most important elements in our commercials. Okay, JR is making us leave.
All right, when you're trying to sell that constant motion look, there's a couple different ways that you can do that. You can do it by either filling the frame, matching the frame, or doing a swipe. Filling the frame is when you come up close to something, maybe you go in and out of a door where everything goes black or white. A swish pan can be any kind of quick movement where you kind of lose focus of the subject, and then you can hide it with that same motion coming in. And then finally, the matching frame, that's when you typically want to come to one end of a shot, lock it down, nobody touch anything until you're ready for that next one where you can pick up from that exact same location. They're a little tricky, but you can do them.
So what are my odds?
Action on rehearsal.
Fires and all the support staff in between. We can make anything.
Are you getting paid for this?
No, but they said I could keep my wardrobe. Close behind me faster. Like really close, tight behind me. Like, don't touch my butt, but kind of. Over 120 employees, 50,000 square feet of production space to make you millions. So you have more time to do what you want to do.
All right, now that we have all of our footage shot, we are back in post. Now we're just gonna take care of some pacing issues. There's some spots where it lags a little bit, so we're going to time ramp those, speed up, slow down some spots. We're also going to put some fine little tweaks on our match frames or our wipes. So hopefully this gave you guys some ideas of what to do, how to incorporate some movement into your videos. If you've made something, drop us a link because we'd love to see what you guys are making. But hopefully you guys can take this knowledge and go make something awesome.